Welcome to our YouTube channel. Tea with Dr. Handsome. Title: How to Reduce Depressed Level. Opening. Welcome back to our program on mental health. Today, we will be discussing how we can reduce our depressed level or overcome depression. Depression is a common mental health problem that affects millions of people globally. It can cause feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and despair, which can impact a person's daily life. However, depression is treatable, and there are ways to reduce depressed levels. In this episode, we will share some practical tips that can help you alleviate your depression. Section 1. Lifestyle changes. One way to reduce depressed levels is by making lifestyle changes. Here are some tips that may be helpful. A. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial in maintaining good mental health. Depression can affect our sleep, either by causing insomnia or excessive sleeping. It's important to create a sleep routine and ensure that we get enough hours of sleep. B. Exercise. Exercising stimulates the release of endorphins, which are feel-good hormones that elevate our mood. Even a simple activity such as a 30-minute walk can be helpful. C. Eat a balanced diet. What we eat affects our physical and mental health. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help reduce depression symptoms. Section 2. Social support. Host. Another way to reduce depressed levels is by seeking social support. Here are some tips. A. Talk to someone you trust. Sharing your feelings with someone you trust can help you feel less alone. This can be a friend, family member, or a therapist. B. Join a support group. Being part of a community of people who understand what you're going through can be healing. There are many online and offline support groups available. Section 3. Self-care. Host. Lastly, self-care is essential in reducing depressed levels. Here are some ideas. A. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help us stay present in the moment and reduce negative thoughts. You can try meditation, yoga, or breathing exercises. B. Engage in activities you enjoy. Depression can make us lose interest in activities we used to enjoy. However, participating in activities we find pleasurable can boost our mood. Closing. Host. That's it for today's episode on how to reduce depressed levels. Remember, depression is treatable, and seeking help is a sign of strength. If you're feeling overwhelmed, subscribe our YouTube channel. We need your love and prayers.